Hey guys, David here, and welcome to Digital Outlook. Guys, in today's video, XRP market cap exceeds 140 billion. So guys, let's get to it. So guys, right now we are seeing expansion in the XRP ecosystem that some folks thought would never ever happen. And of course, it is on steroids with the release of RLUSD. Guys, I want you to just check this article out right over here. Ripple CEO discusses XRP expanding use cases to real estate and insurance. Now, guys, the global real estate market, you're talking 360 trillion. And insurance, it is off the Richter scale as well. Now, just listen to this right here. In a video recently shared on Twitter by financial expert and crypto enthusiast Finance Bro, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse highlighted the growing range of applications for XRP. According to Garlinghouse, Ripple has been invited by industry leaders to explore the use of XRP in various sectors, including real estate, insurance, and get this, guys, trade finance. I mean, you are talking some big time deals and numbers right here. Just imagine if you're able to register your title to your real estate right on the XRP ledger and happening in real time. I think it will be amazing. Now, during the video, Garlinghouse remarked on the evolving landscape of blockchain technology, comparing it to the early days of the internet. He noted, I think you're going to see touch trade finance as well as industry that really some of our customers, for Ripple by the way, have invited us to participate in. And you've seen an experimentation around identity in real estate and title management right there, the ownership and transfer of title happening on the XRP ledger. Guys, you would really see a massive explosion when it comes to title insurance and all of these documents, and of course escrow in sales happening way faster than it is now. A big time deal. And these are all examples where I think Brad Garlinghouse says it's so hard to predict where this will go because there are just so many. The comments from Ripple's CEO reflect the broader vision for XRP as a tool for improving efficiency in global financial processes. Garlinghouse mentioned how trade finance, a critical component of global commerce, is beginning to experiment with blockchain technology. And of course, you got XRP and obviously XDC that deal heavily in trade finance. By leveraging XRP, Ripple aims to streamline processes, reduce costs, and of course, address the inefficiencies in traditional finance systems. The exploration of XRP in real estate and title management is another interesting area. Blockchain technology is increasingly viewed as a solution for improving transparency and security in real estate transactions. Well, guys, this means a lot of title insurance may not even be necessary if we can actually prove ownership on the blockchain, which is immutable. It could be a big deal. XRP could help expedite settlement processes and reduce the reliance, of course, on those intermediaries, like we were just saying. Ripple solutions could enhance efficiency in the insurance sector by enabling instant cross-border payments for claims and premiums. Finance Bro's tweet referenced a controversial statement by XRP co-founder Arthur Brito, who previously suggested that XRP was designed to support a $10,000 valuation and serve billions of people globally. While some XRP enthusiasts see this as a long-term goal, others remain skeptical of such predictions. A Twitter user, Ette, responded to caution investors, advising them to take profits during price increases rather than wait for unrealistic price targets. Well, I'll tell you what, guys, if you think $2 is like the most that this will hit, most of us, in my estimation, did not get into this space just for a $2 XRP. Now, Garlinghouse's remarks underscore the growing interest in Ripple's technology and the broader utility of XRP. However, predicting the cryptocurrency's future price remains speculative. Well, guys, we're watching utility come on board. Massive, massive, massive. RLUSD is going to provide such liquidity and utility to the XRP ledger. I think it is going to really send this space now, despite its potential. The cryptocurrency market is influenced by numerous factors, including, of course, regulatory developments. That is absolutely true. Now, I do believe we are going to see regulatory clarity and very soon. Adoption rates. Yep, but we're seeing institutional adoption gobble this up like crazy. And in fact, in the last little bit, institutions have been buying hundreds of millions of XRP in these dips. And macroeconomic conditions, absolutely, guys. We're talking about the elimination of Nostro Vostro. That right there in and of itself, I think, is going to be a game changer. Now, for now, Ripple continues to work on expanding its reach across various industries, which is big right there, aiming to position XRP as a critical component of next generation financial infrastructure. Guys, there is no way. You had David Schwartz just come out there this week talking about they are not going to drop XRP. They are absolutely using it as a critical component of next generation financial infrastructure. Whether it achieves the lofty price predictions of its supporters remains to be seen, but its increase in adoption and real-world use cases suggests that Ripple's journey is far from over. Boy, do I ever believe that. Now, guys, just check these stats out right here. XRP outperforms Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and surges 260% in 30 days. Wow, wow, wow. XRP has surged 260% over the past 30 days, outperforming major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and Dogecoin. Over the past month, Bitcoin gained 14%, while Ethereum rose 15%, and Dogecoin by 1%, and XRP by 260%. Is that amazing, guys, right there? Now, this rally coincides with Ripple's announcement of regulatory approval for its RLUSD stablecoin. On December 10th, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse announced that the New York Department of Financial Services, NYDFS, had approved RLUSD, Ripple's US dollar-backed stablecoin. The stablecoin is designed to compete with Tether, and boy, do I ever think it is going to give Tether a run for its money. And get this, guys, Tether is being delisted right now from a lot of European exchanges because it cannot comply with the micro rules in the EU, where RLUSD can. How much of a market share do you think it's going to take a bite out of Tether there? And USDC. By offering a regulated and institutionally focused digital dollar alternative. RLUSD will be backed 1-to-1 with U.S. deposits, short-term U.S. Treasury bonds, and other cash equivalents. Ripple has already partnered with major crypto exchanges such as Uphold, Bitstamp, and Bullish to support RLUSD. The company projects the stablecoin to achieve a $2 trillion dollar market cap by 2028. XRP reached $2.14, marking its highest level in nearly a year and significantly outperforming Bitcoin and Ethereum. Well, right now, guys, it is up there at what? $2.38, 39 cents, I think $2.43. It is really, really booming. Now, guys, something else I want you to see is this right here, and this is absolutely wild to consider. XRP surges 5%. Market cap hits $140 billion, surpassing, now get this is why this is so significant, surpasses valuations of Nike, Sony, Ferrari, and Starbucks. Guys, that is totally massive. XRP Ripple price climbed nearly 5% on Thursday to $248, with its market capitalization soaring to $140 billion. The rally comes after Ripple Labs secured regulatory approval from the New York Department of Financial Services for RLUSD. Now, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse announced the approval on X, and we saw that there the other day. Meanwhile, as of Thursday, December 12th, XRP's market cap surged nearly 5% in the past 24 hours, reaching that $139.75 billion, according to data available on CoinMarketCap. And you're telling me all these buzzers are talking about just how XRP, wow, it's going to be a big nothing burger. Well, that is one massive big nothing burger. When you're watching it surpass the valuations of the likes of Nike, Sony, Ferrari, and Starbucks. That is truly amazing. Guys, check out some of these numbers. I think they're down here. With its recent rise, XRP's market cap has outpaced the valuations of prominent global companies such as Sony. Sony's at $128.6 billion, so it outdid that by a significant sum. Nike, again, $115 billion. Starbucks, $112 billion. Spotify, $97 billion. Get this, PayPal, $90 billion. Dell, $86.75 billion. And Ferrari, $80.92 billion. XRP is at $140 billion and is literally blowing these corporations away. That is massive, guys. I'm telling you, what I see happening for this space is going to be truly wild. And do I believe XRP has the potential to literally dethrone Bitcoin? Certainly Ethereum. Absolutely, I do. Guys, I think we're in for such a run for our money. I think it's going to be absolutely amazing. And especially if we start to see these use cases in real estate, insurance, and other industries, I think it is going to be absolutely mind-bending what's coming down the road. And so many people are completely oblivious to it and are going to absolutely miss it. Guys, don't let that be you. You get out there and genuinely research it for yourself. So guys, I truly hope that you enjoyed today's video, and as always, it's not financial advice, it's just my 2 cents. Hit the like and subscribe and drop your comments right down there in the comment section, and I'll catch you in the next one.